Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. As you can see, it is highlighted. So all we have to do now is to open more options. Let's take a look at this option bar at the top and simply tap on this arrow which is at the top. Now we've got many more options from which we can choose, and let's take a look at the second row, and on the second position from the right we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. Now we can, after tapping on it, we can activate it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is highlighted and we've got the small 3 on the icon, which means that we've got the timer set for 3 seconds, and this is the only, no, this is not the only way. So just tap on the self timer, and here you can choose, so either 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. So let me choose 10 seconds. And as you can see, the icon will also change slightly, which means that it can inform us which timer we've got applied. However, after getting back to the camera, we do not have any kind of information that we've got the timer set. So it could be surprising, especially if we will forget that we set it. All right, so now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. We've just taken a photo. As you can see here, we've got the preview, not the best one. And if you wish to turn off the timer, simply open the settings again, I mean this arrow, and tap on the self timer. You can either change it or tap on it to completely turn it off, and if it is white, it means that it is off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any kind of countdown. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.